Alright everyone, Linus here. Just kidding, it's your boy Simon back with another video. So, you want to learn hacking but you don't know how to code? No problem. In this video, I'm revealing 5 insanely powerful hacking tools that even total beginners can use. No programming skills needed. And if you're serious about cybersecurity, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I break this stuff down like no one else does. Subscribing is free, but missing out? That'll cost you your hacker license. First up, we've got Nmap, short for Network Mapper. Imagine you're about to rob a bank. You wouldn't just barge in, right? You'd scope it out, learn the guard schedule, find the vault. That's what Nmap does for your target network. It's your digital reconnaissance expert, scanning for open ports, live hosts, and services running on any machine you pointed at. Nmap helps you find the ones left unlocked. With just one command, like nmap ss 192.168 1.1/24, you can map out an entire network. You can even use it to boost your own network security by finding and fixing vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Next up is Wireshark, and if Nmap is the recon expert, Wireshark is the master eavesdropper. This tool is like having X-ray vision for your network traffic. It captures and analyzes every single packet of data flowing through, kind of like tapping into the matrix of your network. Want to see what websites someone's visiting? Wireshark? Curious about the login credentials they just used? Wireshark. Use filters like HTTP or IP.Azure == 192.168 1.1 to narrow down the results and find exactly what you're looking for. Chapter 3. Burp Suite, the web app. Hacker's Swiss Army knife. Moving on to the big leagues, web application hacking. And for that, my friends, we have Burp Suite. This bad boy is the ultimate weapon for finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in websites and web applications. Think of Burp Suite as a man in the middle, intercepting traffic between your browser and the website you're visiting. The free version is more than enough to get you started, and it even comes with visual maps of requests and responses, making it easy to see what's going on. Burp Suite is a professional-grade tool used by security researchers and hackers worldwide. Chapter 4. Hydra, the password cracking beast you need to know. Let's face it, passwords are the weakest link in any security system, and that's where Hydra comes in. This tool is a brute force password cracking beast capable of trying thousands of passwords per second against login forms, FTP servers, SSH, and more. For ethical hacking and penetration testing, Hydra is an invaluable tool for demonstrating the importance of strong passwords. Simple, effective, and a little bit scary, right? Chapter 5. John the Ripper, the hash-cracking legend. Last but not least, we have John the Ripper, the elder statesman of password-cracking tools. While Hydra excels at online attacks, John is the master of offline cracking. This means it's used to crack password hashes, those scrambled representations of your password stored on systems and in databases. Just feed it a hash file, specify the hash type, and let it loose. John the Ripper is a powerful reminder that even hashed passwords are vulnerable if not properly protected. So, whether you're scanning with Nmap sniffing traffic with Wireshark, cracking passwords with Hydra, or hunting web bugs with Burp Suite, these tools make hacking approachable without needing to write a single line of code. Use these tools ethically and legally for learning, for testing your own security, and for making the digital world a safer place. If this helped you, even just a little, then do the cyber world a favor. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below with your favorite tool, and share this with a fellow hacker in training. I drop beginner-friendly hacking content every week. Tools, tips, tutorials, everything to turn you from newbie to ninja. So turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.